area is in computer science education.
I'm actually a 6th-year PhD candidate.
I'm largely interested in researching HCI, human-computer interaction.
I'm from the University of Baltimore.
My focus is computer science, specifically in robotics and artificial intelligence.
I'm currently working on research related to natural language processing and analysis of social networks.
My research area is in bioinformatics.
I do research in MEMS, microelectromechanical systems.
And I do computing education research.
I think the most important thing that I did learn was that to read every day. I do now believe that that's something that should start early as a really good habit, to keep reading research every day, and that way you just expand your knowledge portfolio. A new goal of mine is to at least read one paper for the 5 main days of the week.
Coming here was a revelation. Being able to hear the different experiences, everybody was transparent, and I think that's one of the biggest things.
One of the main takeaways I get is sensitivities to a lot of things that a lot of people are dealing with and that I didn't have coming into it. So it was really beautiful, really, really beautiful to see, the diversity in this crowd and really to feel where everyone was coming from a research. I mean, they're doing solid research. People are producing from this community.
What they're doing here will help bring forth a new generation of minorities and people with disabilities into a field that has been traditionally not as inclusive.
My favorite session, which is something that I have been needing to work on, and one of my favorite quotes was that the word no can be a full sentence.
This cohort was a wonderful experience because it gave me the chance to meet with other individuals that not only look like me but have gone through similar experiences. Being a minority, you end up feeling like you are isolated in your own university. I don't get the opportunity to interact with other graduate students with disabilities very often. As a student with a disability that are not, they aren't easy to solve, and I end up sometimes falling into the fallacy of thinking that I need to solve all of them myself.
Being able to network with many of my peers, developing a topic for your dissertation, finding the right advisors, how to publish your research, and how to write your research papers properly and effectively.
There's nothing that could have been done. I don't believe anything that could have been done better.
I would like to thank the sponsors and everybody who took part in organizing this very, very wonderful conference.
I'm very grateful for CRA for hosting this workshop, and I hope that future attendees also find this experience as impactful as I did.
I'm just so glad to have the opportunity to build my, my professional network and also my social support network, so that I have resources as I continue to work towards my PhD and into the future with my career.
Please continue doing this for other PhD students and grad students coming along the way, because this is very helpful. Thank you.
Please keep on doing what you're doing. Again, this has been an amazing experience, and I'm extremely happy that I had the opportunity to come here. Thank you.